Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Mailchimp for email campaigns, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Mailchimp website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. To start a new campaign, click on the Campaigns tab on the left sidebar. Next, select the Create Campaign button. Choose the email option from the types of campaigns available. Give your campaign a name for easy identification. Select your email audience from the drop-down menu. If you haven't set up an audience yet, navigate to Audience in the sidebar and fill in the necessary details like audience name and email fields. After selecting your audience, click Begin. Now, you'll move to the email setup page. Here, you can input the email subject line. Make it engaging to encourage opens. Next, enter the from name and email address, ensuring they are recognizable to your audience. Click Next to proceed to the design stage. Choose a template that suits your brand style. Mailchimp offers a variety of pre-designed templates for you to choose from. Customize your template by adding your logo, images, and text. Keep your design clean and easy to read. Make sure to preview your email as you make changes. Once satisfied with the design, click Next to move on to the settings. Review your settings to ensure everything is correct. Look over your audience, subject line, and from name. Afterward, you can schedule your email campaign or send it immediately. If you wish to schedule it, select your preferred date and time. Once done, click Schedule Campaign. Your campaign is now set up and ready to go. Monitor its performance through the Reports section after sending. Analyze metrics like open rates and click rates to gauge success. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.